this World Environment Day. In that I have come after 60, 70 days, and in that I'll go through this. Look, we have come out from the second wave. It is running right now, and all professions are dedicating to come out with this Corona crisis, COVID crisis. In that, our profession has also contributed a lot in the field of the packaging since last year. You can see that Khaitan Koru pack last year, PCRI has validated. I'm sitting over here, and this Koru bed is still, it is having the very good strength from the corrugated seat. Today, I'm going to have the announcement in the field of the plastics, and it will be for the revolutions in coming months. You can see that. So on the Environment Day, there are a lot of announcements we are going to do, and that announcement will be in the interest of I would like to tell you, for the packaging profession. Most of you are watching, there was a sound problem. So you see that our objective is to encourage the environment-friendly packaging in true sense. Customer care, customer-friendly, it's okay. But the environment-friendly is the need right now, and here we will have to get into this. Every positive action makes the huge difference. Today, I'm going to announce one of the company from Karnataka. He had sent me a sample, and that sample would be in that the coronavirus will have the no activity. That validation is going on, but I will give you this announcement, and here we like to go for the huge difference with our positive action. The power of packaging will come from the PCRI collective effort. We have the organization IOP Patna, PCRI Hyderabad, and the Packaging Club, where we have got more than 64,000 members in our club now. Everyone is dedicating to have the better environment, and everybody is saying, but somebody is also following, committed to have the better environment. Every day research it is going on. Every day the contribution towards the better environment, we have been working on this. Look, I would like to tell you, always in my presentation right now, the learning from Bhagavad Gita. India is a country where you can see that a lot of religions are there, but one, it is that Bhagavad Gita, there it has been called that yada yada hi dharmash granir bhavati bharata abhyuthanam dharmasya tadatmanang srijamyaham. It means Krishna says that whenever there is downfall of dharma, the adharma prevails, and I reincarnate myself on the about earth for of mankind. This is the learning show, if it is there. So similar learning it is coming. Yada yada hi dharma, yada yada hi padarthasya. Where there will be the product. Glani bhavati jagta. Jagta means entire world. And here, abhyuthan padarthasya chay. Tada packaging srijamyaham. In Hindi, the meaning of the packaging is some Western. You may not be knowing that what is the Hindi meaning, but it is that some Western it is coming. It means whenever there is deterioration of the power of packaging appears. I'm highlighting here the wastage. Environment Day, if you are dedicating correctly, it means we will have to see that there should not be wastage. If there will be wastage, I feel that there will be the problem. We cannot afford to have the wastage. And that altogether, packaging is doing wonderful job. But even that, the problem what it appears always, that the overrated packaging, unnecessarily packaging being used, not the optimum packaging, and then the blame goes to the packaging. My submission is that think the product without packaging, very difficult, very, very difficult. Now I would like to tell you here that everybody is getting vaccination program in our country going on. Every state, every district, everyone is behind about this vaccination. And that vaccination, you can see the role of the packaging professional here. Dear friends, the packaging professionals, look at how vaccine is coming. We need to have the glass bottle. We need to have the cap. We need to have the label. So that means vaccine is the lifeline for us. That means what is the lifeline for the vaccine? The lifeline of the vaccine is the packaging. Without packaging, vaccine will not come. That means packaging protects. Everybody is saying the vaccine. Think how your vaccine will be there without packaging. Packaging is very, very important. You can see that. The congratulations to our packaging professionals. 2 companies in our country, Serum Institute and Bharat Biotech. Their packaging professionals are involved to design the proper packaging. The SOP has been developed. Suppliers of the glass vials, caps closures, labels, pre-filled syringes, insulating boxes, tapes, strap, transport boxes. These are the packaging contributions by the packaging professionals. Though I'm not directly involved with them, but our packaging professionals are working with the Serum Institute and Bharat Biotech. If non-packaging professionals are doing, there will be something wrong. But the packaging professionals are doing. Validation as per the packaging test protocol, it is being done, and packaging team, it is controlling total supply chain. Dr. Reddy is doing a Sputnik, and I know that one of the packaging encyclopedia, Mr. Abhinav, is there in the supply chain head. Everybody, the packaging professionals are involved here. When there is a product ready, then where is the packaging validated? We from the PCRI, IOP, and other institutions, every institutions are working in this interest. We have got the fight between Ayurveda to allopath. Everybody is involving. But look, our contribution for Ayurveda also and allopath also, the packaging, even the life-saving drugs are being protected by the packaging. Life-saving drugs cannot sustain without packaging. Whether the Patanjali or we have got any pharmaceutical companies, any Ayurvedic companies, they will have to use the proper packaging. I would like to tell you that one bad thing it is coming, news every time. And what it is coming, wastage. How can you do the wastage? But at the same time, wastage, we will have to see it here. Look and see that India is having 6.3% wastage. And in that wastage, it is going on. How the wastage it is? It is the negligence of a people, or it is that means negligence of the proper packaging specification, or improper handling, improper logistics. There could be many factors in that. Dear friends, we cannot afford, and we the packaging professionals giving all the specifications properly. And once we are giving all the specifications properly, it has to be validated, and validation going on. In our country, Bharat Biotech and Serum Institute of India, both of them have used glass vial. It may be from Indian company or overseas company. You can see that closer. You can see the labels. They might have done so many analysis on the packaging about the barrier properties, performance packaging, leaching problem, migration problems, stability test, and so on, many tests going on. But at the same time, when I see this kind of the wastages, really, dear friends, it hurts us. Problem of mishandling should not come to the packaging properly, because we always working 24 hours. Packaging is giving the protection 24 hours continuously, non-stop. This is the contribution going on by the packaging professionals. We would like to say to the government of India, very categorically, look, this is our contribution. Everybody is saying vaccination, but vaccination cannot be done with the proper packaging. You have come out with this vaccine, but how vaccine will be protected? How that vaccine will be distributed? Once it is coming distribution, there is a role of the packaging, proper self-life analysis. Now, would like to tell you that this is that vaccination going on, and here at the same time existing. Single dose systems, multi-dose systems, all the things it is coming out. And here you can see here that we are going for the dose first, dose second, and all these dose first and second going on. Here you can see that we are also US, and president of that time, ex-president now, Trump, has this given the approval also, that pre-filled syringes. So a lot of things to be controlled in coming days and coming years, and that could be a lot of research, and that would be the contribution of the packaging. So I would like to tell you, I would like to appeal, announce it here very categorically, that one company from Karnataka, name is Balaji Polypack, and the technical technology developed by AD Nanotechnologies. They have come out with the anti-COVID property, enhanced nanocomposite polyethylene sheet. It can be used for the carry bag, it can be used for this curtain, it can be used for the many applications. What it is that the bacteria, virus will not stay longer in that polyethylene film. Everybody was saying that, look, I'm getting this plastic film, virus can be transferred, and the plastic film, the virus can stay for 24 hours, 18 hours, 36 hours, 48 hours. If you are going to use this nano-based polyethylene, virus can be killed within 2-3 hours. This is the success it has come. The AD Nanotechnology has come out with this. We will be having the elaborate presentation on this in coming days, because the validation, it is going on. They have got the validation from US FDA. They have got the validation from the Nano Institution. At PCRI, we are going to conduct the number of the tests about the functional properties. Functional properties in terms of the leaching, in terms of the migrations, in terms of the barrier, in terms of the stability, in terms of the Jello-Flex analysis, that how much macro holes it will be there. A lot of functional properties we are going to evaluate. Dear friends, we have the member from 150 countries. Live views are very less, but it is after the program, the views is going in thousands. This is the decorum, because the time, respect, it is going on. In our club, watching from Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nepal, China, Malaysia, Nigeria, UK, US, Germany, everywhere. And in this platform, everybody is contributing also. We would like to tell you that what are the problems you have in our packaging club. We are going to listen, and there we would like to tell you. Our students are also watching. We have got the postgraduate diploma, 5th batch and 2nd batch. The graduate diploma students are also there. They are the wonders and doing a lot of things, contributing a lot. And in that, this is the announcement I have made it, that PCRI is going to validate this film shortly. We will be calling the representative from the biology and from the ad and nanotechnology in this packaging club. And we will be asking more this detail. This is the announcement we wanted to express before you all, that this is the contribution of the packaging professionals. Non-stop it is going on in the interest of the people. We would like to tell you that what club activities we have. As I have told you that packaging club, we have got 64,000 members from more than 150 countries. Every day we are receiving more than 300 posts. And in that I am approving near about 160 or 70 posts. 100 posts I am not approving. Why? Because there is a repeat. We encourage quality post. If there will be quality post for us, any small segment of the business it is coming, I am approving. If you have the need of 100 corrugated box you put into this, we will approve you. Or 1 lakh box, we will approve that. Somebody is saying that I would like to have the pizza box in Jaipur, putting in the packaging club, we are approving. Objective of the packaging club is very clear, that business, business, business. Business for everyone. Everyone should have the business every time. It is a service. We are not charging anything. It is a service being rendered and rendered continuously. Coming to the World Environment Day, you would like to say that a packaging club is also giving the award of your good post, packaging appreciation award every year. We have the quality discussion going on in our packaging club. If somebody is raising the question, please raise your questions. Some expert will come. Expert from the plastics, expert from glass, expert from the metal, means expert from wood. You ask any question, somebody will be there for sure. My dear friends, this club is the hard work of 1 decade. This 64,000 has not been done within a night. 10 decades continuously work it has been done. Then we have reached up to the 64,000 members. Continuously see the dedications. My submission before you is that a lot of training programs we are posting, not only from the PCRI or IOP, even the National Institute, IIP, SIES, or from any university, any individual, when you are posting the training program, we approve. We are taking approval time 24 hours. Because a lot of things we have to do, that whether it is correct or not, and some posts are not good also. So that is the barrier what we need to do. Then you can see that job, everyday job, it is being given. Either HR company is posting or some individual is posting. Even it is the general manager post, vice president post, or operator post. For our platform, everybody should get the opportunity. This is the objective. Opportunities should be availed by everyone, not by the big post or a small post is not getting. No, this is the platform for every packaging professionals. You are looking for the job, I would like to tell you that there is no problem of job in packaging profession. But there is a a lot of scarcity we have, that experts are in minority. Experts are very less. Those who are competent in packaging, they will get the good job, good salary across the country. We are not accepting repeated post. At least there will be the difference of 1 week or 10 days or 15 days. Every day, no. You are putting in Facebook, your Facebook page, we will not approve. Already you are in Facebook in other group, and this group you are posting this. No, this is not correct. Come out with this, because Facebook you would like to promote through us. You just promote Facebook, already you have. In that, what it is that some, my dear friend from China, please write your name in English. Chinese script, it is not being understood. If I'm addressing Alexander, if Alexander will be in Chinese script, how will we write? Please make it easier, and such post will not be entertained. We are not encouraging English, but it is a need to have your name in. You have to use Hindi up to certain extent, not in a full relaxed manner. That can be given on this. So that is the Packing Club. PCRI and IOP Patna is having the 4 activities: testing, training, consultancy, and audit. Both organizations are having the similar activities. Testing, a state-of-the-art equipment we have. And in that, we are conducting more than 200 varieties of the test in Hyderabad. More than 200 varieties facility we have. We can do the test. We are having the licensing with the 6 laboratories also. And IOP Patna has got very good equipment under the support of Niti Aayog, under the support of AIC Bihar Vidyapeeth. IOP has received number of good equipments. Due to the lockdown, we have not made it lab operational, but we will be making lab operational shortly. I appeal to you all, those who are nearby, please visit IOP, or you can submit the sample. Our services will be very much prompt and accurate. We would like to tell you that the training program PCRI is organizing only the distance learning program, online program, no full-time program now. During this COVID crisis, no full-time program. And in that way, what we need to do that, we are conducting postgraduate program. And wherever it is there, you can find a lot of information in the consultancy. Cost reductions, specification developments, prototype development, self-life studies, expiry date analysis, everything we are coming with this. Audit. The account audit you are involving, why not the packaging audit? This packaging audit is for the justification of the specifications. If you are using over a specified packaging material, you are thinking for the environment, how can you go with the over a specified packaging material? One side you are saying Happy World Environment Day, and other side you are using over a specified packaging. How 2 things will be together? I have the appeal to the food and pharma industry and e-commerce industry. 2 things will not be surviving. 2 things it is there, that one side you are saying that environment, sustainability, sustainable, Every high means the fact you are bringing. Other side, you are not compromising with optimum packaging material. I have the several examples. Most of the pharma industries, they are using over specified packaging materials. Food industries, over packaging materials. Now, I was just going through that Patanjali. Ramdev Baba is very good orator. There was always debate that this one, that one. My submission through this program, Ramdev Babaji, your company is also using over specified packaging material. I can prove that in the interest of the environment, you are using over specified packaging materials. Even with the Coronil pack, it can be reduced. I don't know, I'm going to write to you that please furnish your packaging specifications. This is an era to ask you that packaging professionals can also do the justification. In the day of the Environment Day, I appeal to everyone that do justifications what you stand for in a correct way. And audit is essential. How I'm appealing to the most of the company, come for the packaging audit. And where we will say that you are using the over specified packaging materials. We cannot afford to use that in this Environment Day. Environment Day, it is the appeal that the pollution is lying within us, that we need to clean. Just putting the poster and heavy word of a statement, it is not going to solve. As I am giving the statement, considering that the recent debate it was going on with Ramdev Baba on Ayurveda and Indian Medical Association Allopath, we respect both. We being a packaging professional, we would like to appeal both Allopath and Ayurveda. Please do not use the over specified packaging material. You are using over specified packaging material, come for the packaging audit. You would like to tell you that IOP under the support of Government of India, Atal Incubation, Bihar Vidyapeeth, and organizing Technology Entrepreneurship Development Program. We have got huge response. Seats are only 30, but responses are too much. We will have to repeat, we will request the Government of India to increase the number of more programs. That is the packaging entrepreneurship is the need in our country. The packaging is the sunrise industry everywhere. Growth rate in India is the 18%, 15 to 18% growth in packaging. It is happening. And in that, I would like to tell you that our objective is to make the entrepreneur with knowledge. And that in that, there will be 6 weeks program. And in that, after the success of the program, you will get the 2 things. One is the knowledge, and second will be that financial assistance if it is the merit, it has been proved that you have availed the knowledge. All assessment, it is going on, all correct informations to be provided. Those who are interested, you can apply, link it is there. This time your name may not be selected as you have become late submission, but next time it will be on the repetition. We will have to write to the management, and there we would like to see how the best we can. We would like to tell you that the graduate diploma, it was likely to start it from this. We would like to postpone this program, but one of our student, Mr. Mahesh, he has forced that no, please continue this program. Reason being that in our institute, 60% staff were under COVID positive in the second wave in the April. We were very setback positions, but now we are recovering and this program will be restored. We would like to tell you that sixth postgraduate program will be announced. Earlier it was scheduled date 15th June. Now brochures will be circulated within a day or two. I would like to appeal you. It is one of the best program, 1 year postgraduate diploma from PCRI online program. Please join this program and you will get a lot of information. This is the presentations, and in that I will come here. I will interact with you all. Initially, there was a problem of that muted, unmuted. So initially it was the 5 minutes to 7 minutes. It was the program completely non-audible. I'm extremely sorry. I could not realize. And thanks to you that it is there. Now I would like to tell you that if there will be any questions, I will be happy to respond to you. One by one, I'm going. Mr. Vijay Gaikwad is watching. Thank you very much, Vijay ji. Because Agrahari is watching. Thank you. Mr. Dushyant Shining. Sir, please send the link. Link, I don't know, but it is there, what it will be. Mr. Binay Agrawal. My name is Mr. Binay Agrawal, Jaipur, Rajasthan. Welcome. Binay ji, please associate with us anytime, any problem if it is there. With the capacity of the good capacity of the packaging professional in our club, we will give you the information. The objective is very clear to have the business. Dushyant Sainiji is watching. Dileshwar Rao is watching. Virendra Shahuji is watching. Mr. Ashok Khaitan. Mr. Ashok Khaitan is the proprietor of Khaitan Karupak. He introduced this company. Khaitan has introduced Karu bed last year. And this in second wave, they have rendered the services very good. Deepika is watching. Binay. Yes, Mr. Binay, now it is audible and you wrote in the beginning you are watching. Binay is watching. He has introduced that is the plastic film, nano-based plastic film, in that coronavirus will be non-effective within 2-3 hours. It is the free coronavirus free plastic, nanoplastic film. We are going to have very shortly, we will be calling them in our packaging club to discuss all these information. Right now at our PCRI, validation work, it is going on. So thank you, Vinay ji, it's good. Now that there are many, Mr. Mahesh, our student is also watching. Hi sir, this is Mahesh from GDP, yes. Vinay Singh is watching. Yes, Vinay, how are you? Hope you are fine. Mr. Amar Deshpande is watching. Mr. Ashwini Kumarji from Delhi, he is watching. Thank you very much, sir. You are watching from Delhi. It's good. Rajnish Fande watching. Mr. Mehul Shah. Oh, Mr. Nawaz Khan from Pakistan, Lahore, my friend. Yes, my dear friend. How are you? Hope you are well in Lahore or Karachi you are staying. You are the proprietor of Corrugated Box and you are having the very active association with the packaging club. Hope you are good and you might have taken the vaccination. and be happy, be healthy. So Mr. Nawaz Khan from Lahore, it is there. Then Jagniti Nagesh, or Nagesh is watching. Yes, Nagesh, how are you? Hope you are fine. From pharmaceutical industry, he is working in Hetero. I don't know present where he is working. Mr. Ankit Bilay. Yes, Aniket ji, sorry, Ankit no. Mr. Aniket ji, how are you? Hope you are doing well. Then engineer Chandrahash Tripathi, from where I don't know, but he is watching. Oh, Mr. Subham Sinha. Subham Sinha is watching from Noida, our PGS student. So Subham, all well. So if there will be any question, I will happy to have this, but I don't find any question. You all are good, and there you can ask, you can join, you can do the marketing, and I'm expressing sincere thanks to everyone, those who have been there. Today it was not the technical session. It is just after the 70 days I have as a live, and COVID suffering 26 days, it was should be there. And during this crisis, our packaging fraternity is doing wonderful. So I just appeal everyone that be happy, be healthy, and our profession, the power of packaging will remain. So if there is no question, I'll be closing. And every week, I'm planning now, every week I will be coming Saturday, 7 o'clock. Till then, you should be safe, you should be happy, healthy, and work for the packaging. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.